What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Technology. I'm your boy Truth, and I appreciate you guys tuning in for another video, man. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I try to drop as much content as I can. I am on my race to 5K by my birthday. My birthday is in June, so help your boy get there. Make sure you smash the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop any type of video. And head over to IG, follow your boy at Technology on IG, at Technology on Twitter, and Technology23 on Snapchat. Now, with all that being said, I started a series about a week ago just trying to figure out ways to upgrade and let me upgrade my channel. You know what I'm saying? Try to make the content a little bit more better for you guys. So this big box here is gonna help me do that also. I asked you guys a question on my last video, got some couple of feedback from you guys. I was trying to figure out what type of camera I need to have. Do I need a vlogging camera? Do I need a mirrorless camera? DSLR? All this other stuff that I had no idea about cameras at all. Like, I'm not a photographer. I just want the content quality to be better. So, reached out to you guys. Reached out to some of my fellow YouTubers, sneakerheads, people that do this stuff on a regular. And I got some great advice, and I ended up making the purchase. So, today I'm going to be doing a review and an unboxing on the camera that I feel like that will take my videos to the next level as far as getting more detail with the shoes. Lightening up your boy because I'm dark skinned and all that good stuff. But just overall 4K quality, I just want to make sure that everything is crisp. So this is going to help with that. Now remember, everything that I do, I am on a budget. So these videos are to help you guys that are on a budget, but that want to make your channel better. These videos will give you guys options as far as what I feel like might work for you. Doesn't mean it's the end all be all, or doesn't mean that I know what I'm talking about. It just means, hey, I just want to share with you guys my journey as I try to make the channel better. Everything that you're going to see in this box is going to be down in the description section for you guys to purchase, review, look at, ponder, sitting in your cart for like 3 weeks like I did, and before you get ready to pull the trigger, whatever you want to do with it, all the links will be available down below for you guys to cop. I know you guys are wondering what camera I picked. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Alright, so before we get started, you know what I'm saying, EQT Zebras on feet, you feel what I'm saying? I was on my company stuff today, you feel me? So, I did end up going with the bundle, and I got this from Adorama, I don't know, man, how you say it. Anyway, I ordered the bundle pack. Now, the camera that I decided to go with, let me open this up. The camera I ended up going with came with a lot of different things. So the camera I ended up going with is the Canon EOS M50. And I went with the video creator kit just because I wanted to get the extra accessories with it. I ended up paying like 546 bucks, something like that, for the whole kit. So we'll get up into the camera in a second. But a lot came with this box, you know what I'm saying? A lot came with this package. So let's go ahead and get right up into it. So, right here we have a optic case and cleaning kit. This is, I'm assuming this is to clean the lenses. I don't know anything about cameras, to be honest with you. So this is all brand new to me. But we have a lens cleaning wipes, lens cleaning spray, microfiber lens cloth, fine brush, air blower, and a carrying pouch. All comes in this package. So this did come with the kit. And then we have a portable 4-in-1 memory multi-card reader. I will be utilizing this because I have a MacBook Pro, and I'll be able to transfer a lot of things onto that. So this is a definite addition, great addition for the package. We have 2 memory cards. We have a 16 Ultra HD and a 32. I'm pretty sure I'm probably not going to use both of these because I don't stockpile my videos. I delete them right away after I edit and all that stuff, but it's always cool to have double in there. We have this is nice, man, nice quality. We have a memory wallet, 12 cards. So this is by Slinger, and real nice, you know what I'm saying, put all my memory cards and stuff in there. Be able to carry those. And then we have a bag, a camera bag. It's also by Slinger. Orange is my favorite color. It seems like it's a lot of orange in here. Look good quality, make your boy look fresh. Nice way to carry my camera, so good look on the bag. So getting right up into it was one thing that was on back order. That was the kit covers or something, lens cover. I don't know what it was, but it was on back order, but they're gonna ship that to me. But as you guys know, as of right now, I'm recording this video with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it does very well. But you know, if I get a phone call or something like that, it's always a disaster. I forget to put it on airplane mode. It vibrates when I'm recording. The sound quality is not that great, so this is an upgrade. So I had to get something. So going into the camera, I'm super excited about this camera. The reason why I got the bundle is because of the microphone that comes with it. I looked on Amazon, and this actual microphone was about 50 to 80 bucks. I'm not sure why. What causes the separation of the increase in price, but this does come with it. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Rode. I'm not sure, but I heard these are great microphones, external microphones. That was a great addition. And then, oh man, the camera. Let's get right up into this camera, man. I am super excited about this camera. If I can figure out how to get it out this box. Alright, now we have everything set up here. Here is the camera. I'm going to unbox it for you guys. As y'all can see here, the Canon EOS M50. Shout out to everybody that kind of gave me some advice and told me what they prefer or what they recommended for me to get. This is Wi-Fi compatible. This is a mirrorless camera, so now I'll be able to look at myself as I'm recording. I'll be able to see where I need to put the shoe. It's just gonna help me out so much to bring better content. Now, like I said before, I'm not saying I'm the photographer or anything, so I am asking you guys to comment down below. Was this a great purchase? And if you know anything about cameras, what type of lens should I get? Hit me up, let me know. I'm always looking for different ways to make this channel better, so I do need your guys' help and your knowledge when it comes to cameras, because I know shoes, not cameras. So here we go. Owner's manual. I don't know what that is. So here we are. Now this is not just the body, this is also a lens. So right here we have the Canon strap for the camera, shoulder strap. We have the battery. This is the battery right here. This here is the lens. This came with a 22 millimeter lens. No, I'm sorry, a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. So this is the lens. And then this right here should be the charger. This is the charger unit. So let's go ahead and unbox the camera. Let's get this out of the way. Put the pieces here. Man, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. So excited. So here it is, the Canon EOS 50. You know what I'm saying? Take a good look at that. Real nice camera. So I am not sure if the battery is charged, so let's go ahead and try that. So y'all give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to put the battery in it. Alright, so battery's in. Let's see about popping this off and putting on the lens. Alright, so there we go. Lens is on. Let's see if this thing pops on. Alright, so here it is all set up, as you guys can see. Very nice setup, very light, very easy. I don't have the little tripod stand. The screen turns around, rotates. So as you guys can see me there. Samsung Note 10 Plus is what I'm recording on right now. So let me switch it real quick and show you guys what it's going to look like from this one. Alright, I think I am recording if I'm not mistaken. So the big screen that you see is the Note 10 Plus. The small screen is the M50. The quality of the sound quality that you listen to right now is me speaking loud enough for you guys to hear from the external microphone on the Note 10 Plus. Right now I'm going to swap it, and it's going to be the M50 that you're going to see big, and the Note 10 Plus that you're going to see small. So the adjustments have been made. This sound that you're hearing right now is going to be from the Rode microphone, the external microphone that's on the M50. You guys let me know down in the comment section if this quality is better. Remember, I have done no adjustments. This is just the raw material straight from out of the box stock of the Canon M50. Remember, it's going to be a lot of adjustments that I'm going to be able to make as far as aperture goes. I actually know what that means. I did my research. In the backdrop and the color tones and all that stuff for the shoot. As you can see, it's a lot that I'm going to have to do to figure out how to use this thing. I'm super excited. I'm hoping that this brings better quality for you guys. But as always, smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section what type of lens I need to get, if I need to upgrade, if I need to do more with this camera. Did I get the right camera? Let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite vlogging camera, or what camera do you use for your everyday wear, your photography, or if you do the YouTube thing? It's your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, these shoes are just bait and a way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm gone.
No synthetic, if they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too.